So, I just got this in the mail. We're going to open it and show you what it is. I got to be very careful though so I don't damage it.
Comment what you think it is.
Alright. Let's see here. This is like the most exciting day of my entire life. Oh, I'm gonna need that anymore. Woo! Oh my gosh, it's so heavy!
It's a life-size slowpoke!
Push stop, hope you for just a second. See how big he is. Just don't sit down too hard. Oh, careful. Alright, last little clip. My $60 slowpoke. My like $10 slowpoke. And then big chonky boy. I'm so happy. I literally don't know where I'm going to sleep, but I love him.